Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IZEA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. And what the first thing I'm actually going to do here is adjust this level of resistance now that we have more data up to right here at 68 cents. As that seems to be the more relevant level. And I say that because if you go back and look at Wednesday, you can see the price struggled right around that area. And then during the opening 30 minutes on that big spike, that's right where it all ended. So now we have definitely a couple confirmed data points up there around the 68 cent mark. So that's what I would consider, the most relevant level of resistance. The key dynamic there, though, is, what direction did I need to adjust that level of resistance? I need to adjust it higher. And whenever levels of resistance need to be adjusted higher, that's always a good step. I mean, that is a great bullish sign. Now, does that mean that this thing's going to be up at $1 on Friday? I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that if you had a choice, you would choose, well, I want resistance levels that need to be adjusted higher and higher. And that's exactly what happened here. And then as I talked about in Wednesday's video, if the price can get up above that 68 cent mark, next key level right up there at the 74, 75 cent mark. So keep an eye on those areas going forward. As far as areas of support are concerned, so far so good. Nothing really new to talk about here. Still have this initial level down here at the 45 cent mark represented by the green line. But the one minor update is in regards to this purple line right here, which on my chart represents the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving, because now all of a sudden that purple line after today has moved up above the green line. So technically speaking, this level now takes higher priority over the 45 cent mark, and the 50-period moving average is currently valued right there at the 48 cent mark. So like I said, supports are basically the same thing. It's still the 50-period moving average, and it's still that 45 cent mark. But the only difference is because that is a moving average, the 50-period is now valued at 48 cents. But overall, nice day. Yeah, it's a little disappointing that the price pulled back here, but big picture-wise, healthy consolidation. So let's see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.